This is one of the coolest songs ever. It's Cheap Trick, I Want You to Want Me, live at Budokan version, not that lame studio album version that sounded really weird. If you go listen to that, check out the live at Budokan, but let's get to this thing, G major. I took a long time in that intro just to rock it right there. It's super fun. So G major, that kind of rhythm, and I'm sort of palm muting. You don't have to, you can play full chords. You do these walk downs to an E minor. So the walk down, I've got a whole video on doing these walk downs. It's really cool. You go G major and just sort of, you know, put that finger there on the second fret of the low E string. And even if it doesn't sound really great, you're just doing that for a second till you get to E minor. Now you can hear I went like that. You're on the second fret already of the D string to the open D, and now you go to a C major. Now you go to the second fret of that A string to the open A string and down to G. I need you to need me. And then it goes, does that walk down again from G down one fret, the second fret right there, to the E minor. And when it goes into the chorus, it goes, all around you. That's A major, F major, G, and this one's rocking a little bit more. Oops, sorry, E minor, A major, F, G. If you say F major, that you love me, E minor. And it goes super cool. Easy walk up. Check this out. Open E, first fret of the E, second fret of the E, and then slide it up and you're back into G. Didn't I? See you crying to D major. D, didn't I? See you crying, C. G, D major, E minor, C major, and then it goes right back into I want you. Pretty cool. You can even leave that finger right there on the G string if you want to, or the G chord. And you get the low, you know, palm muting and picking. That's it. Just does that same thing over and over again for the verses and then the chorus. And when you get the dynamics and really start to kick in a lot, it's super fun. Let me know what you think in the comments. Hit like and subscribe, all the good stuff, and I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons. Later.